Hey, Josh.
Yeah, man. What's up?
I has food.
You want some food? What type?
Whatever.
Whatever you say.
I don't really care.
Okay. Well, he said whatever. This'll do. Great. This'll do. Add a little spice. All right, I think we also need to add this. Thanks, buddy. Let's add a tennis ball. Oh, I know what we need to add. Sriracha goes on anything. That should be good. Let's cook it up. Okay, let's do like 3 minutes. See what happens. All right, it's ready, D. Wow, that turned out great. Here's your food, buddy.
Thanks for the apple, Josh.
You're welcome.